Hi guys, Nick Mower here from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a like brand new 2020 Kubota B2650. This tractor was sold new on 6/2 of 20. It has remaining powertrain warranty until 6/1 of 2026. So engine, hydrostat are under warranty until 6/1 of 2026. This unit has just 38 hours. I want to be very clear, I do not have a loader here for it. If you have access to a loader, you have access to a heck of a deal on a like new tractor that's under warranty. Don't ask if I have a loader, because if I had a loader, it would already be on the tractor. It does have an RCK 60-30BA 60-inch belly mower deck. It has R4 tires. It is ready to go to work. It is fully serviced. We just changed all the filters and oils and did a complete service on it so that we knew that it was ready to go to work. And again, it is a 2020 and under warranty, powertrain warranty on 2026. We're starting here under the hood. Laughing at me?
I was thinking about something.
What?
I was thinking about something.
Matt and I always have side commentary. Anyhow, under the hood of this tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota 3-cylinder, 26 horsepower diesel. I do believe these are a D, what are they, a 1305 in these, I do believe. Yes, D1305, 3-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Again, this is a 38-hour tractor. R4 rubbers, again, 60-inch belly mower deck. In the rear, you have 540 PTO, 3-point hitch. I don't know that anything was ever on the 3-point hitch. Drawbar, factory top link. Everything is there and ready to go. Belly mower deck, very good condition, obviously. 38-hour tractor. We're going to head up front here. You're going to have your PTO in and out, low, medium, and high range. You're going to have up and down for your 3-point. This is already plumbed for your joystick for a loader. Out front will already be your connections for the loader. Good, turn the key on here. 38 hours. Tilt steering wheel. I'm going to go ahead and fire this tractor up. We're going to run around and show you that's everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. There you are, 2020 B2650, highly sought after tractor, non-emissions tractor, as big a B-series tractor as you will buy with no emissions. 60-inch belly mower deck, again, R4 tires, 38 hours, like new tractor, same as new tractor. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Have this tractor priced very, very affordable in the market. If you can come up with a loader, you're going to have yourself a heck of a tractor. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.